Trying to bite yourself. You're trying to bite yourself. My brother. New puppy. Say hi. Look, she's gonna bite me. She's gonna bite me. Say hi. Say hi. No, not by my phone. But just say hi. She's so cute. Right. Oh. And now she gets all up in the camera. Hey.
Thank God.
Hey. I saw you try to bite my phone. I saw you. Nope. 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 Ram pam pam. Sir.
Don't pull on the bite covers.
She's scratching him. My daddy. Daddy, say hi to the camera. Say hi to YouTube, please.
Please.
She got a bath today. Achas! Hey, you bit me. You bit me. You bite me. I'm trying to fix your ear. I'm trying to fix the ear. Mom, look. Ooh. No, don't bite me. Bouncing out of things. And this is her real color. Her body. Her body. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Building the flames. Building the flames. You guys should have saw that. This has been going on for 4 minutes and 2 seconds.
On third down, Dallas is 1 for 13 behind that offensive line.
Building the flames. Building the flames. Yeah, bite them. Bite them. Just bite them. Just bite them. Just bite them. Just bite them. She's actually gonna start biting you. Look at her. She's so small though. She's biting my dad.
Right today, what did you do with the Cowboys?
Not right now. They down by 3.
Almost had a pick. What,
Yep, fourth quarter, only 2 minutes and 46 seconds left.
no.
Dallas is down by a field goal. I told Mike it's gonna be a field goal. Dallas gonna be. This game's gonna come down to a field goal.
And she is a girl, so she might have babies one day. And here's her paw.
Let go of
Design. About them to friends. Choo 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 choo.
Don't give her any more of those doggy biscuits.
Yeah.
I thought it would be good for her, but it
No,
keeps
don't give
giving
her.
her.
They said the milk bones. Don't give them the milk bones.
Yeah.
So I was talking to you with the press. Don't give them to them.
Hey, you put your butt in my face.
Get her some.
Hi, stop chewing on the blanket. Stop chewing on the blanket. Hey, nope. Look you. She grabbed it again.
Let go of Tatiana's blanket.
Ouches. She's like, I can't put myself over. And her.
Yep, go to bed.
I don't need to go to
I seen a,
bed.
German Shepherd that looks like her today.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm, but PetSmart. It's a big one.
Was it like really big?
Owned by somebody?
Yeah, it was owned by somebody. Yeah. They were walking. Come on now, Prescott. You do that, this game is over with.
Oh, Prescott.
They got it. You guys got to get first and 10.
You're in the queen area, in the king area, in all the areas. I love you, mommy. Those are my legs. Well, those were my legs. I have 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 stockings on the tree. I mean, on the fireplace. I saw. Well, I think this is it for today. I have school tomorrow. My brother's coming on the 21st. It is the 11th today.
You gave it up.
And I think that is it for today. But I don't know what to do next. If you're wondering, comment in the comments down below to know more about me. Ask me some questions. And and if you're gonna get asked on my dog's mouth, what she's licking my toes or biting them. If you're gonna say what is Nowell mixed with, she is mixed with. Ouches! Stop biting my toes. She's biting my toes. Okay, so
Go on.
So, like, if you're wondering what she's mixed with German Shepherd and Hound mix. So she is gonna be a medium-sized puppy or dog. Look at her. Just look at that. She's so cute. Her ears is up. All I'm trying to do is fix your ear. Let me fix your ear. There. Dang, girl. Dang, we've been filming for 10 minutes and 33 seconds. You're so cute. You're so cute. She has a sister that looks just like her, and they both love licking me. So, yeah, so they lick me every day, but her name is Nowell. I don't know what her sister's name was. Oh, she was getting all up in my face. Dad, you should have saw her a month ago. She was digging. What? Why did you do that? Dad, you probably don't want to look. She peed on the couch.
Hurry up and get the cleaner.
Okay. Well, she peed on the couch. Well, she peed on the couch just now. So, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll make and then she already peed on the couch a month ago right here. Hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys probably tomorrow or another day. I don't know when I'm gonna make another vlog because I have school tomorrow. So it's Monday tomorrow. Today's Sunday, so that'll be Monday tomorrow. Monday tomorrow. It is very dark outside, and we just went out to eat a little bit ago. So yeah. And yeah. Bye. Oh, well.
2-minute warning.